Hey guys, and today I want to show you how you can sell stuff for free on your website. So if you're planning to sell ebooks or any type of services or products for free without actually paying any money, I'll show you how to do that using a really cool shopping cart called Ecwid, which is actually on my website here, on my Papa English website. So for example, I've got an ebook that I'm selling on my website, and I'm also selling service here on my website, which is just English lessons. But you can also sell products such as art or t-shirts or anything else that you want to sell. And basically the way it works, it's really cool. So obviously you got your title here, the amount that you want to sell, and then the person just clicks on the item, adds it to the bag. They can continue shopping if they want, or they can go to checkout. So if they click checkout, then it just lists all the products that they want to buy again, and then they can check out again. And they've got the option to pay with PayPal or to pay by phone. So it's really pretty damn good, really. And this is all for free if you're selling less than 10 products. A lot of people do have only 10 products, so it's actually quite cool because you get to do it all for free. If you've got more than 10 products, or you want a shopping cart with a bit more versatility, such as adding discount codes or slashing prices or linking your products to another website, such as a squeeze page or a memberships page or things like that, then be sure to check out my other video where I speak about this shopping cart here, which is called WP Store. And it's just a bit more versatile, so you can slash prices, you can link your pictures to squeeze pages or to a memberships page or anything else. There's so much more you can do with it. However, you need to pay about $49.99 if I'm not mistaken, so it's a bit more expensive, but for that you get more versatility and options or features. However, I'm going to show you today how to install this one here, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is go to google.com, and when you're in Google, in the search area just type Ecwid, so ECWID, and then click on Ecwid, which is here, and then you want to sign up to Ecwid. So click on sign up, which is on the top right hand corner over here. Alright, just type in your name, so I'm going to put here test1, email, and your password. Okay, and then click on create an account. Alright, so once you have accessed Ecwid, you want to go to catalog, and this is where you can add your new products, where you can edit your products. So this is where the magic happens. And you can visit the store, which is again on the top right hand corner over here. So if we visit the store now, you can always have a look at what's in your store, but just by clicking here. So let's check it out. So at the moment you've got fruit and vegetables in your store, and if you click on that, so you can see this is what's there at the moment, but we can remove this and you can add your own products, services, or ebooks or whatever you're selling. So yes, so let's do that now. As you can see, it's opened this shopping cart in a new window, so just click on the Ecwid control panel, which is up here, and then you just want to delete all of the products that are in your store at the moment. So let's just tick all of the products that are there, like so. Okay, and once you've done that, you just want to hit delete, which is up here. Do you really wish to remove the selected products? Oh yes. Alright, so now our store should be pretty much empty. So if we click on fruit, there's nothing in there. And if we click on vegetables, there's also nothing in there. So now let's go back to our Ecwid control panel, which is in a separate window, and we can close this storefront window for now. Alright, so what you want to do now is add your new product, and the way you do this is simply by clicking on this button here where it says new product. So you want to give your product a name. In my case, I'm going to be calling it Games for the Classroom. Alright, and SQ, you just basically you give your product a number, and that's just to keep track of your item or product. So I'm going to give it 1. Wait, this doesn't actually apply to me because Games for the Classroom is an ebook which I'm selling. However, if you are selling anything that goes by weight, then make sure you put that in here. Alright, the next thing that you want to do is give your product a price. So my product cost £5. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to give your product a description, and you want to add a picture as well. So to add a picture, all you want to do is just click on the plus sign here, and I'm going to add my picture. Okay, so this is the ebook that I'm selling, and for the description, obviously you'll put whatever you want to say about your product. In my case, I've already got a text here which I'm just going to copy and paste in here. There you go. And you can really customize the text. You can make it bold, you can underline stuff, you can change the font size or the family, you can center it or whatever else you want to do, bullet point it, add numbers, but I'm just going to leave it this way because yeah, in my case this is just suitable. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that. You can also add categories here, and you can even create a gallery for this. In my case, I'm not going to add more pictures, so I'm not going to be creating a gallery for this particular product. However, I'm going to be adding a file along with this ebook. As I mentioned before, it is an ebook, so whenever someone pays £5, then I want this file, a PDF file, to go to their email, and that's exactly what I'm going to be uploading here now. So if you are selling electronic files or anything like that, so ebooks, PDFs or anything like that, you want to, so if you're here in general, just want to hit files, and then here where it says upload file, just click that, choose the file that you want to attach. Alright, so that's now attached, and then you want to give it a description. So I'm going to call it exactly the name that it says there, Games for the Classroom. Okay, that's fine. And once I'm happy, I'm going to just save that. So click save. So now your file is attached to the ebook. If you're selling a product, you can add tax and shipping. Or if you are selling art or anything like that, you can add more images to your product. So say you're selling different variations of a particular product, like different colors or things like that, then you can add gallery to the original product. And I'll show you how to create categories for the next product now. So if we just look at our shopping cart at the moment, or if you look at our store just to see what's there now, so again, just click visit storefront, which is here. So as you can see, you've got Games for the Classroom here now. So if I click on that, here's the price, it's in stock, and here's the description as well. And I can add that to the bag if I want, and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. So now you may be wondering how to get rid of this fruit and vegetables, and that's actually quite easy, and I'll show you how to do that now. So if we go back to our Ecwid control panel, which is just in a separate window, and here where it says categories, just click on categories, and this is the fruit and vegetable default products that are already in our storefront. So you just want to click on fruit and delete category. Do you really wish to delete? Yes. Then click on vegetables and delete category. Yes, delete. Okay, so no categories as of yet, but you can create your own category products if you like, and that's just by creating a new root category. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to my products, which is here. Okay, so now that we've deleted the fruit and vegetables, let's have a look at the store again just to see if they're gone. And as you can see, they are gone. I've just got the ebook here, which I put earlier. So now I want to add another product, and this one is a service. So again, to add a product, go to new product. So click on that, and I'm going to add the picture first. So click on the plus sign, choose the picture that you want. Okay, so I'm going to call this one, alright, so English lessons in London. And again, to keep track of my products, I'm going to number this 2. It doesn't contain any weight because, as I mentioned, it's a service, and the base price for this is £12. So students can take part in a trial session which costs £12, and that's the base price, but there will be other categories which I'm going to give this product, and they have the option to pay more if they want more classes. So I'm going to show you how to add categories to this particular product. But first, let me add my description, which is just here. I'm going to just copy this text and paste it here, but of course you put the description that you need to put for your product or service or ebook or whatever else that you're selling. Alright, so that's fine. And again, if you are planning to add more pictures, then you just go to gallery and add more pictures here, but I'm not doing that for this product. Alright, so I want to add categories to this, so that students have the option to pay different prices for different features of this course. So I'm going to go to options, and to create categories you want to go to new option here, and we're going to title it the same as the original course title, which is okay, so that's the title, and we're going to change this to 0, and I will explain why in a minute. But the base price here is going to be 0, and we're going to add the different quantifiers in here. So the first category is a 1-day trial session, and it's going to cost £12. The second category is students have to pay 50% installment for the 5-week course, and that costs £87.50. Okay, and the third category is if students want to pay for the full amount of the course, then they can pay the full amount, and this is the option I'm giving them here. So, and in this case that will be £175. Alright, so these are my categories here, and once you've added your categories, something that's also important is this here. So you want to select drop down list, and I'll show you why this is important in a minute. So once you're happy with that, you just want to save it, and that's how easy it is to create categories for your product. So let's check out our store and just see how this looks. So again, go up here where it says visit storefront. Alright, now if your base price isn't showing here, which in my case is £12, don't worry, because once you integrate that into your website, it will show. So don't worry if it's not showing here on the Ecwid storefront. So click on your product, and as you can see, this is the drop down list which I clicked earlier or selected earlier, and it just allows your customers to choose the different categories. So the base price is £12, so they can pay £12 for the for my course, or they have the option to pay 50%, a 50% installment for the course, which is £87.50, or they can choose to pay for the full course, which is £175. Let's add the trial session to the bag here. So alright, and then we can go to checkout, and there you go, we've got £27 worth of products in our shopping cart, and you can decrease the quantity of items, so people can decrease that. Let's make that 1, and they can clear the bag if they want. They can continue shopping. It's pretty cool. And well, once your customers are happy, they can check out, and then they can choose to pay with PayPal. And I'm going to show you now how to install the payments method here, so that your customers can pay using PayPal, or they can pay using the phone. And the good thing with PayPal is that it allows your customers to pay either via their PayPal or by credit or debit card if they don't have a PayPal account. So it's actually really great. I think PayPal takes a very tiny percentage of the money that you make from your sales, but we're talking very, very little. I think, I'm not exactly sure how much, but I think it's about 5 to 10% of what you make, or less even. So it's really a great way to be able to allow your customers to pay for something that you're selling. That is your shopping cart done. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your payment, and the way you do that is simply by going here where it says System Settings. Click on that. Yes, you will have to verify your email as well at some point. Where it says here Payment, you want to click on Payment, and I have already enabled this, but I'm going to disable it again for demonstration purposes. Here are all the different payment options that you can have with Ecwid, and automatically the phone order option is ticked by Ecwid, so this is default, and I'm going to just leave that here. I'm going to leave it as ticked, which is fine, and then I'm going to also enable PayPal. And when you first tick this option, this is what you'll see. So you will get this page opened here, and all you want to do is add your email address in here, and it has to be the same email address as what you're using with PayPal. And once you're happy, you can just save it, and then it will be enabled. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry. All you need to do is just go to paypal.com, and you can sign up here where it says sign up here on the top right hand corner. Click on sign up, and then you can choose if it's a personal account or a business account, and then just follow the process. It's really easy to sign up with PayPal. All you then need to do is link your bank account details to PayPal, and once someone pays you via PayPal, you can then redirect that check to your bank account, or you can wire the money to your account electronically. So it's very easy. If you're not sure how to do it, all you need to do is just in YouTube type how to use PayPal or how to set up PayPal, and you'll see tons of tutorials about it. So once you set up your PayPal account, so you really want to use the email that you've put in here. You want to use that same email for your PayPal account as well. Okay, so once you set up your payment, then you're good to go. You want to then really integrate this store into your website, and the way you do that is simply by going to your website. In my case, that is Papa English. You then want to log into your dashboard. So dashboard, and then you want to go to plugins. So click on plugins. This is, by the way, a WordPress website. I don't know if you can use other platforms. I have only got WordPress at the moment, and this is what I'm using for all of my websites. However, you can certainly give it a go, try it on other platforms if you're not using WordPress, and just see if it works. I don't see why it shouldn't really, but yes, give it a try. Anyways, so once you've gone to plugins, you then want to click on add new. Alright, and where it says here search plugins, you want to type Ecwid in there. Okay, and enter. Alright, and as you can see, it's the first option that comes up here. It's pretty good. As you can see, it's got almost a 5-star rating. It's been downloaded over 200,000 times, so it's a very popular shopping cart that works really well. So let's install it. So click install now. Okay. And then you want to click activate plugin. Alright, and it should be here in the plugins section now. So so you're back to your plugins, and if you search, here it is, Ecwid shopping cart. Alright, so once Ecwid is installed or integrated into your website, the way that you can look at your products is simply go to your pages, click on pages, and you want to find the page which is called store. So because I've got quite a lot of pages, it's probably at the end with the S's. So okay, it's one before. Alright, so it should be here somewhere. There it is. So your store with Ecwid is called store on your website. So let's view that and see what's in our store. There you go. So here are our products. The only thing is, I want to have this store not under store, but I want to have it here where it says products. The way that I can transfer this store to my products is basically by going back to my dashboard. Let's go back to store. Alright, and then you want to click on edit. So as you can see, there is a code here. So all you want to do is copy that code, so highlight it, and then right click and copy the code, and then you want to paste that code in this page here, which I'm going to do now. So pages, and I'm going to look for my products page. So here is my products page, so click on edit or whatever page that you want to paste that code to, so that it then opens up as your store. So in my case, this is products. Click on edit. Okay, and once it's opened, you just want to paste that code in this white area here. So right click and paste, and then update. Alright, so now let's view our page. And as you can see, here is your store, or my store in this case, and that's looking pretty good. Let's see if it works. So let's go here. Okay, let's choose 1-day trial, add to bag. So it works pretty well. The only thing here now is this sidebar, which is quite distracting from the products which are here, and you don't really want to have that when you are selling anything. Let's go back to our page. Let's edit that page again and remove this sidebar. And the way you do that, it's very simple. So you want to go here where it says template and click on the arrow pointing downwards, and you want to select full width and update, and then view page. Alright, so as you can see, the sidebar is gone, so it's not distracting anymore. Let's just check out our shopping cart, which is down here. By the way, you can drag and drop products in your shopping cart like that. Let's drag this one in. It's a really cool shopping cart. Let's check it out. This is our shopping cart. We can reduce our items. We can remove items or products from here. Let's remove this one. Let's just go to checkout. As you can see, customers can pay by PayPal. They can pay by phone. It's pretty brilliant. And basically that's how you add a free store to your website and hopefully start selling your products or anything else that you're selling. Yep, and this is the end of the tutorial, guys. So if you've found this tutorial useful, if it has helped you understand things more or anything like that, then be sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos on how to YouTube and website better. And thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.